so excited that we are here all on the carpet together to start our number talk. Okay, this week, our 2 days so far, and last week, we have been practicing ways to make, that's right, 10. Okay, so let's review our number talk signals really quick before we get started. Miss Wilcox has them right here. Okay, so show me with your own signal what it looks like. I've got the answer. I love that. I see so many thumbs up right on my heart. Thumbs up right on my heart. I've got the answer. Okay, think about, you know what? It's okay, Miss Wilcox. I don't have the answer yet, but I've got an idea. I've got a strategy for how I might solve it. Show me that one. Nice job. I saw those thumbs up turn sideways. They turn sideways. I'm still thinking about my answer. Okay, good job. Now let's practice another one. What if I have my answer and I have a strategy to solve it? Nice job. I have my answer and I have a strategy to solve it. Okay. If it's a word problem or a problem that I can solve I can use more than one strategy, what would I do? Hey, that's right. I saw some friends add another finger. I can use more than one strategy. So if I had a thumbs up and I had 2 fingers, I should have 2 strategies in my mind to solve this problem. Okay, let's get started. So we said we've been practicing on ways to make 10. Okay, I'm going to show you some snap cubes. And I don't want you to shout out how many snap cubes I show you. Just want you to think in your mind how many snap cubes you see. And when you see, and you have that number in your mind, your thumb is going to go over your heart because you've got your answer. Okay? Let's not shout anything out because then we're doing thinking for our friends. Okay. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure your thumb goes over your heart. That's your cue to me that you have figured it out. I'll wait until I see all thumbs up over hearts, or I'm still thinking thumbs. Okay, awesome. I've got everybody. Okay, let's see. Jonathan, how many did you see?
4,
You saw 4,
5.
4, and 5. Did you see them by color? How many are blue?
4.
Okay, Jonathan saw 4 and 5. Jonathan, 4 plus 5. What does that equal? 9. 4 plus 5. Jonathan says, I have 9 total here. Thumbs up. Not on our heart, but thumbs up if you agree with Jonathan. Miss Wilcox has 4 and 5. Okay, hands in our laps. Did somebody see a different number? Did anybody see a different number? Isabella, what did you see?
I saw 5 over here and 4 over there.
Okay, Isabella looked at it like this. She saw 5 and 4. How many total?
9.
9. 5 and 4. I still have 9 snap cubes. Okay, here we go. Let's see. You know what? Miss Wilcox can't write on the board with a permanent marker. But I want to write this down for you guys because you both saw excellent thinking. 5 plus 4, 9. And Isabella, we had 4 plus 5, so 9. Did our total number of snap cubes change? No. Our friends just saw them in different amounts. Okay, here's another one. Hands in laps. Ready? Ready? Here we go. I'm looking for those thumbs up over their hearts. Thumbs one strategy maybe. Okay. All right. Eshawn, tell me,
3.
what did you see on this row of snap cubes, this tower of snap cubes? What did you see?
9.
Okay, how did you see 9 though?
Because 3 plus 3 equals 6 and 9 equals 6.
Okay, so Eshawn saw 3, well, I guess your first step in your mind, you saw 6, and then you saw 3, because Eshawn took these, right? And you said to yourself, 3 plus 3 is
9.
6.
6.
Then he added these 3 and came up with,
9.
okay, I want somebody that saw it a different way to share with me. Addie must have saw it a different way. She has her hand up.
Well, I saw it 3 ways.
Oh, share one way with me first. That's different than Eshawn's.
I saw 2 and
These 2, baby?
4 more.
Oh my
And then
goodness.
3 more.
She saw 2, 4, and then 3. So this is what Addie saw. It's hard to hold what Addie saw. 2, 3, and then 4. Wow. What did you come up with your final number, Addie?
9.
Okay. Another friend that saw this tower a different way. Andrew.
7 and 2.
What? How did you see 7 and 2 from this?
Because that's 2 and that's 6.
My goodness. Okay, let me see. Andrew, did you do it by color? Or did you hold up your finger and count each one of them? Explain your strategy to me. What did you... He did it by color. Okay. So can you talk me through the colors you saw?
Yellow, green, and blue.
Did you count these by color? Okay, explain that to me. Can you explain that in words maybe? So you can help your friends understand how you saw it?
I saw yellow and 2. I saw 2 yellows and 3 greens and 3 blues and then 1 yellow.
Okay, that's awesome. Did everybody hear what Andrew did? In his mind, he said to himself, 2 yellow, okay, putting them to the side. He said 3 blue, 3 green, that's 6, and only 1 more yellow must be 7. And he added 2 more. Okay, so Andrew, I think I would write yours 7 plus 2, it equals 9. But you know what I could also write yours? The way you saw the colors. 3 plus 3 plus 1 more. Then don't forget the 2 that you saw. How many are still in my tower? 9. All right, look at all these numbers, all these different ways. We're just making 9. Collier.
3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 1.
All right. Collier saw 6 first. 3 plus 3. 2 more. And 1 more. Anybody else have another way that they saw 9? Chinmay.
3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9.
Hey, Chinmay just saw the individual colors. 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now I want to know, Chinmay, how did you know that blue was 3, green was 3, and yellow was 3? How did you do that?
Because I'm answering Addie's question, I counted them.
Did you count 1 by 1 all the way to 9? Or did you just in your mind see or count the yellow and then the green and then the blue?
I know little kids think it's complicating because they think it's 4, but I think it's 3 because I can see.
So Did you hold up your finger and say to yourself, 1, 2, 3? Or in your mind, did you just see 3 cubes?
In my mind, I just saw 3 cubes.
Okay, that's pretty awesome. That's what we all want to do. We all want to be able to just see the cubes, see the numbers without having to count one by one. Okay, hands in your laps. I'm going to show you our last one before our number talk is over and we move on to something else. Okay, hands in your laps. Are they ready? Are we all crisscross applesauce?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Remember, if we have an answer, our thumb goes over our heart. You don't have to raise our hand right now. We're just showing Miss Wilcox that we have an answer. We have a strategy on how we solved. Maybe we have 2 strategies. Maybe I'm still thinking. All right. I'm waiting to see if I have all hands over hearts. It looks like oh, yes, it looks like I do. Okay, here we go. If you would like to share your strategy, Morgan.
4 plus 1 plus 4.
Morgan, how did you see that?
I saw by...
Did you see by colors? All right, she saw 4 plus 1 plus 4 equals
No.
how many total? Our tower is still 9. Did somebody see this another way? Let's see, Molly.
5 and 4.
Can you snap it apart where you saw 5? I'll let you. Ooh, perfect. May I have that side too? Look what Molly saw. She saw 5 and 4. She separated them in her mind and then she put them back together. 5 and 4. So boys and girls, I'm going to call on one last friend. Pervere.
Can I do my... I don't know.
Sure. I'd like for you to take them apart and show me your way. Show all of us your way.
Okay.
Let's see.
It was... I saw 4 and 5.
So you did it like Molly's, except you had 5 on the other side, right? Okay. Boys and girls, I want you to take a look at the board. How many different ways did we come up with 9 total? Eyes on the board. Look at all of these different ways that we came up with 9. So, I think you all did an awesome job because you were very flexible with your thinking. And you came up with 9. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You came up with 9 different ways this morning to make 9.
What?
Wow. Okay, what I want you to do, give yourself a pat on the back.
It's a movie.
Okay, great job.